Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about blood platelets. So in the previous class we have studied about the blood and components of blood, and in the components of blood where we have studied about the blood plasma and the cellular components. The cellular components are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Additionally, we have also studied about the different functions of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, and also blood plasma. And one of the function of blood platelets is to clotting of blood. Blood platelets helps in clotting of blood. So clotting happens in three stages. First one we have is vascular spasm. Vascular spasm, the vascular means the blood vessels, different blood vessels, and the spasm means the constrictions of blood vessels is called vascular spasm. And in next second stage we have is platelets block. After the vascular spasm, the platelets block happens. The last stage we have is coagulation. The final stage is coagulations. After the coagulations, the bleeding of blood stops. So firstly, let us look at vascular spasm. When the blood vessels get damaged or injured, the blood vessels start constricting or contracting. So after the constrictions or spasm, the blood vessels become narrower. So when the blood vessels become narrow, the rate of flow of blood will decrease, thereby the loss of blood will decrease. This is the first stage in blood clotting. So next, second stage we have is platelets block. So in the platelets block, the platelets gather or collect at the damaged site. All the platelets stick together and form a platelets block. So let us look at the stages of platelets block. So firstly, the platelets collect at the damaged site and release a substance called prothromboplastin. After that, the prothromboplastin in the presence of calcium will form thromboplastin. Thromboplastin in the presence of calcium ion will form thromboplastin. So after that, the thromboplastin along with the calcium ion and vitamin K convert the prothrombin into thrombin. And finally the thrombin convert the fibrinogen into fibrin. So fibrin is a sticky substance. Sticky substance which helps to stick the platelets one another, and when the platelets stick to each other, then there will be the formation of platelets block and clotting happen. So finally we have coagulations. Fibrin helps to stick all the platelets together. So finally the coagulations happens, and thereby prevent the excess loss of red blood cell. So this is how the platelets help in clotting of blood. A condition in which blood fails to clot is known as hemophilia. Sometimes the clot forms within the blood vessels, blocking a flow of blood. Such a clot is known as thrombus. So that's the and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.